man, you want some dang? I want some dang Subway. What about you?
SubWay? Sounds good. Give him a call.
Hello? Is this Subway? Alright. I'd like to get 2 subs. With
Just tell him what you want. Quit saying, Hurry up, 'cause I'm hungry.
let's see, some dang turkey, some, oh yeah, I need that, cheesy Italian bread, let's see here, also need, mixed cheese, you know, the cheese, like the orange with a little bit white,
Forever, you didn't even say my order yet. I need some cheese, yeah, you got the cheese, so order. Hurry up, I'm hungry.
Hey man, I'm trying, dude. Oh yeah, sorry, I need that, what's it called? And then I want on the lettuce and stuff, Yeah.
Out of here, you got the Rona over there coughing, trying to order food. You over there going, I didn't want all that. What?
Oh man, I also need that, what's that called? Dang tomatoes. No less. I need pickles, like a bunch of pickles, like a whole handful,
I could have made my own sandwich by the time you got done talking to them. Pickles. Yeah, a lot of ham and lettuce. I'm gonna make my own sandwich. Man. Oh. You over there, Let me call him. I'll show you how to call him.
Hey man, just cancel the second order and just do the first order.
You just cancel my order?
No man, no. Hey, no order. I want to put that order back on. Yeah. Yeah. All that crap. Yeah. Yep. All right, bye. Be ready at 6:30.